Ladies and gentlemen, today is the day. No, I'm not gonna stall. Let's just get into it. This is my keyboard reveal. I have a custom keyboard that I built, and it's fire. And this is what it looks like right now. It's really clean. Got the Japanese logos on it. Now I'll tell you the specs of this keyboard. For those of you who are interested in maybe building a keyboard on your own, so you know specs. I got these keycaps on Amazon. I'll try to find the link. I'll try to link everything in the description. So we got keycaps from Amazon. The switches, we got Gateron Black Ink. Really good quality switches. I actually really like the sound. They're hella satisfying. And this keyboard I bought, it's not a soldered keyboard. Like they're all hot swappable switches, and you just put them in. So yeah, I'm gonna do some sound tests, show off the keyboard. That's about it. So yeah, that was the keyboard. If y'all liked it, got the parts in the description. Yeah, this is my first build of keyboard. It was pretty simple to build. I think y'all can figure it out. If you want to build your own keyboard, I recommend it, because building your own, you get some really good quality. Like, trust me, when I code with this, I can feel the quality. You know what I'm saying? Alright, take care.